Garage door Mike, how you guys doing? I'm going to show you a quick tip video if you accidentally bump your hollow metal door and the muttons come away from the metal. I got some liquid nails in here, just liquid nailed them all up. The door got bumped and it broke the glue. You can kind of see the old glue right there, but got a bunch of liquid nails in there. There's some more of that glue right there, and liquid nailed it all up, and that'll help alleviate some of those problems with the bump door or bumped door from a car or bike or whatever, that when that mutton comes apart. So that's an innovative quick tip for all your quick tip needs. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thank you for watching our helpful quick tip hints and videos. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.